How are you doing? As you can see, the limestone karst behind me. You know where I am. It's in the Burren, my favourite place in Ireland. And I got very surprised yesterday when I started looking at potential places to go. Because I always go to the Burren, I always go to the Fenor side. And that's about an hour and a half, that hour and 40 minutes away from me. This is the Mullaghmore side. It's Mullaghmore there. This is 45 minutes away from me. I don't know why I didn't look at this map sooner. 45 minutes, that's nothing like. And there's so many potential camping spots and lakes to camp beside and mountains to go up. So I think, yeah, I'm really happy. Because like the road to the Fenor side of the Burren, it's not the distance, it's just the very small windy roads. It takes a long time. It's a lot of windy driving, we'll say. I don't mind it, but 45 minutes to here, that's nothing. So my plan today, is I've no plan. Well, I've an 18-kilometer plan today, right? But I'm really beginning to enjoy the process of heading out and not having an iron plan in place, because I used to be always very regimented in the way that I do my trails. I go here, I go here, I go here, I go here, and I'm even thinking of the time. So today I have a route planned, but it's not set in stone. So we're just gonna go with the flow and see what happens. Yeah, I'm really enjoying the process of just being here. Oh, wow, that's some view. Beautiful. So yeah, it's a bit overcast today, and it's probably the weather I hate the most. It's not raining, but it is raining, and it's warm, and it's wet, and it's misty. It's just, I don't like this weather. It's either rain or don't rain, you know, because I have to wear kind of a rain jacket even though I don't want to wear one, and every time I look at the rain jacket it's dry. Yeah, I know, these are first world problems really, aren't they? Okay, let's keep going. So I made my first mistake today, and that's wearing my Salomons, because this place is wet and it's rocky, and wet and rocky and Salomons are not friends. Don't know what it is. Because I went on a 20-something K hike last week of the Cliffs of Moher. So yeah, and I wore my Salomons. They were great because it was just a normal dirt track most of the way. But here it's very wet. Yeah, and you know what? It's not the grip of the Salomon. It's the compound that the compound that the actual grips are made from, that causes the slippiness. Like, the grips are grand. But I did hear someone commented recently, and I'm not sure if it's true, that Salomon have brought out like an endurance or an adventure sole. So, like, Salomon, why didn't you just team up with Vibram? Mwah! Perfection. Okay, let's keep going. I ranted enough about Salomon, I'm sorry. And don't get me wrong, I actually love your boots. I love boots. I love the Salomon boots and how comfortable they are, how well made they are. But where the rubber meets the road is the issue. God, I'm getting very technical, haven't I? Haven't I? See, that's the new word for you now. I'm seeing a lot of like coral, because literally the Burren was underwater, and the Burren was like I suppose like a tropical paradise in a way. But it was all coral. But yeah, you can see the coral everywhere you walk. Do you know what I love? I love 100% unscheduled rain. It's the one thing I love about Ireland. We have a great weather system. Do you know, clear skies, calm day, 0% of rain. They get it right every time. Mid-Éireann, legends. Absolute legends. These rocks are lethal. Well, I won't say it. Salomon. Yeah, soft day. Can't see a thing up here, unfortunately. But the views would go on for miles. So we're going to follow the trail down by the lake, and we're going to have lunch there, I think. So, yeah. I want to keep going, but I'm a slight bit worried about like how bad it is underfoot. It's very slippy, and I have the wrong boots on for that. So let's go up and eat, and we'll see where we stand. It's just, when you're hiking solo, you got to take these into consideration, you know. So better safe than sorry. But let's go up here first, and we'll check out what the trail is like over it, as I nearly fall. All right, let's go. Just waiting for my my water to brew up now. My God, this is a fair bad day now. Really, really windy, like. A lot of rain and a lot of gusts. So I want to go on to the next mountain, but I'm not going to chance it, because I know it's meant to get worse later. So I'm going to have a nice lunch now, and I'll do a different loop on the way back down by the lake. So it's nice though. Finding it very hard to find camping spots though. It's so rocky up here, so rocky. But yeah, the weather's fair bad. Cheers everyone. Cheers. Now I think it's time to head back down. I'm not going to go on to the next one. It's a bit it's got a bit wild, to be totally honest. I'm really impressed by this Revolution Race shell jacket. keeping me nice, dry and warm. So that was a present from my wife for Christmas, so thank you. Yeah, I'm glad I brought it today. It just makes you think, because the weather forecast today was absolute blue skies and nothing else. But yet I always hike with everything I need for all the worst weather. Hence this, and hence the only thing I don't have with me today is my gaiters, and I wish I did, because yeah, I like them. Oh my god, this is nuts! Absolutely nuts! Such an amazing area. I'm definitely coming back here when the weather's better, with better footwear, because any bit of wet here, it's lethal, absolutely lethal. So yeah, definitely the right footwear, and I definitely picked the wrong ones. I'm so glad I had all my gear with me today. I'm loving this jacket, it's so cool. Like, you feel warm and dry at the same time, which is great. So, do you know what I spotted? The topography of cow shit is the same as the Burren. Let me show you. See? Very same as the Burren. The Burren shit. Now back on the road. Very, very tough terrain to walk on, I must admit. But yeah, I'll be back with the right boots. Incredible experience though, because you are spoiled for choice with the amount of trails that are up there. So yes, I will be back. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. And I suppose not the adventure that I wanted today, but an adventure nonetheless. So thanks for joining me, and yeah, I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.